Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove my AI on Snapchat. At the time of writing, you can only do this if you are a Snapchat Plus subscriber. According to the site, Snapchat Plus subscribers receive early access to new My AI features and have the ability to unpin or remove My AI from their chat feed. To remove My AI from your chat feed, just do this video. Open this Snapchat, click on your profile at the top, then tap Settings icon. Scroll to Privacy Controls, and then select Clear Data. Now, go to Clear Conversations and tap the X next to My AI to remove it from your chat feed. And that's all. Snapchat continues to be one of the most popular social media platforms in the world, with millions of people constantly using the app to share photos and send messages to each other. Last year, the platform introduced its very own in-app chatbot, My AI, powered by artificial intelligence, and it has received mixed reactions online. Some users have been impressed by the AI ability to speak and understand multiple different languages and dialects. However, others have criticized the feature, with confusion emerging over how the app uses location data. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next videos.